Welcome to our channel. If you want to negotiate debt settlement, follow these step-by-step instructions to potentially reduce what you owe and resolve outstanding debts. Step 1. Assess your financial situation honestly to determine if debt settlement makes sense. This strategy works best when you're experiencing genuine hardship and can't pay the full amount owed. Step 2. Stop making payments to build leverage for negotiation, understanding this will damage your credit score. Creditors are more willing to negotiate when accounts are seriously delinquent. Step 3. Save money in a separate account to have funds available for settlement offers. Most creditors require lump sum payments or short-term payment plans to accept reduced settlements. Step 4. Contact your creditors directly or wait for them to reach out as accounts become delinquent. Be prepared to explain your financial hardship and inability to pay the full balance. Step 5. Make a settlement offer starting low, typically 25 to 50% of the balance owed. Negotiate patiently as creditors often reject initial offers before accepting subsequent proposals. Step 6. Get all settlement agreements in writing before making any payments. The agreement should clearly state the reduced amount resolves the debt completely and that the creditor reports the account as settled. Step 7. Understand the tax implications, as forgiven debt over certain amounts is considered taxable income. Budget for potential tax liability when planning your settlement strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.